Hey everyone, Merry Meet and welcome back to my channel. I'm Ivy, and in this video I'm going to be talking about going within and living in the present. So when you are living in the present, you're allowing now to be enough. It's simple and honest. So your past is like doubts and your fears, while your future is like a storyteller weaving the what ifs, because we have no idea what's happening in the future. So the present can turn ordinary moments into magical moments. Just something simple like washing your hands, when you're in the shower, when you're walking outside, and just simply taking in everything in that present moment, taking in all the smells, the feelings that you may feel, the sights around you. Listen when you're outside to the trees, the ground, the earth itself, leaves as they rattle with the wind, and the flowers as sometimes they may do their own little jiggle dance. So if we're paying attention to small little things like that, and in the present, it can be quite magical without even doing anything that requires any type of tool, any type of magical actual workings, candles, all of that is, you don't need it. It's all about that insight, internal spiritual connection, and being very prominent with your being in the present. So here is something very key to take in. Your power is not in front of you. Your power is also not behind you. Your power exists in the now, in this moment, in this knowing moment of presence. So when you're being in the present, it's magical and it's special. And of course, that's one reason why they call it the present, because it is a gift to live in the present and take in everything from what you're doing at that moment. You know, we're always so go, 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 or focusing on what we may have done, what we should have done, what we need to do. Instead of that, you know, this is something I'm trying and I work on in my practice. We'll just say that is, if we just, sometimes when all that kind of gets a little bit too much, if we just stop and focus on the present, you'll be surprised at what all may come of it and what kind of signs you may see, what type of guidance you might get from the divine. And you can take it however way you want to do it, of course. And I feel that the more you practice living in the present, the more happier you're going to be in life. And also the more at home you're going to feel. Not looking at the future. You're not thinking about the past. You're just living in this moment at this time and embracing and working with that presence, that present. Here's just a few simple little steps that you could do that may help to keep you focused on being in the present. Just sit quiet for 1 minute and just take in that presence. Take in everything that the present is offering you in that moment. If you want to, feel your feet and your hands. Just feel like what it feels like. Think about this, you know, the present. I'm in the present. This is my hands. These are my feet. Just to kind of get you kind of in the mode of living in the present. So, you know, you'll be journaling this. And then so what you hear in that moment of time, in that silence that you're truly putting your focus in for that 1 minute of in the moment, in the present, you're going to allow yourself to see everything as sacred. So listen and take in 3 sounds that you hear during that one moment of being in the present. And just allow yourself to experience the moment and feeling and knowing that the present is very sacred and special. And it does build your future. Because when the present, you know, what you do in the present is what's going to affect your future. It's not going to affect your past, but it will affect your future. It is quite refreshing because it gives you a moment to stop. It gives you a moment to feel, sense, embrace everything around you. And be sure to give it your undivided attention. And be sure to use your senses as keys. Think about, what can I see? What does it feel like to eat something? Experience the taste. Take it in. and view it as sacred, because the present is now. So anyway, on end this video on that note, I do hope you all have a wonderful, blessed day. I appreciate everyone for watching, and I hope you all have a great day. Much love and blessed be.